So what happened is that when I opened up the FordPass app, I couldn't see an updated version of the battery or location. They actually put me out pretty far out. This one shows about 18 hours, but actually I was more 24 hours that I didn't have an update. Also, I couldn't remote start through the app, so this gave me another clue something was wrong. So then I found out by calling FordPass that it's most likely something up with my modem. They call it a TCU. There's a secret way of seeing a diagnostics by pushing on your steering wheel the volume down and left arrow. The right arrow generally resets the screen, but the left arrow goes into the diagnostics. I went to the diagnostics and saw and confirmed that the TCU is disconnected. FordPass support will actually tell you to go to the car and then go to settings in the upper right, then go to connectivity and then hit that connected view features, vehicle features. This is where it said please wait and hung and went back to the same screen. This indicated to me something is up with the modem. I did some searching on the Mach E forums and I read something about resetting it by pulling the fuses. So this is what I'm going to do next. Let's see if I could reset the modem on TCU. And there's something called a gateway module, GWM. Let's see if I can find the fuses. That's the first thing. All right, there. Yank it. Okay, let's yank it. Oh, there's numbers. You can barely see it, but it's there. So zooming in a little bit, you can see that the 11's right there next to the 5 amp fuse. That's the TCU. To the right of it is the number 18. The gateway module next to it, I removed both. That sucker's on. Yeah, fuse. I've never seen a 3-prong. Okay. So the 5 amp is that middle one. And then this guy. Oh man. Put it like that so I won't forget. So basically, I'll leave it off for 5 minutes. You could disconnect the negative cable, but I don't want to reset everything. Well, maybe I do. But let's give that a try. See if that will work. Be back in 5 minutes. Put these fuses back and see if I get lucky. It's been 10 minutes. It said 5, whatever. Oh. I've never seen a 3-prong fuse, but okay. And then it just pops back in. That was simple. Put my mat back. So it might be working because I had gone, they told me to go to the car and then connectivity settings and connectivity, and then here connected vehicle features. So earlier it would spin at that please wait, but now it's showing here. So I think I'm on point. I'm gonna check the app and see if that makes a difference. But see, it's showing FordPass and everything. All right, so you can see right there it says 89 at 43%. And now if I go to my FordPass, it's crooked because of the screenshot, but it's matching. So and you can see updated just now. So that is what did it. So by me pulling the fuses, it did the trick. So if you need to reset, pull the 2 fuses underneath the mat right there. Then that's what did it. Saved me a trip to the dealer. Cool. Thanks for watching.